there will always be that one guy who blocks everything like this. But still, I filter. Guru, that auto guy will go slow purposefully. And this guy is parking near a turn. No matter how frustrated you get because of stupid people in traffic, the Bangalore weather will make sure you feel cool. The reason behind Bangalore being so cool all the time or throughout the year and have one-off bad weathers here and there is because we are at 3,000 feet above the sea level, which is higher than most of the states in India or in South India as well. And so we get this cool weather, like we are in AC mode most of the time. And that's why most of the people who come from other parts of India to Bangalore, they initially complain that what is this dude, the traffic is so bad, that this and all. But then when we all speak in their language and make them comfortable, and Bangalore promises to give you awesome weather all the time, they'll be like, dude, Bangalore is cool. So that is what this city does to you. Damn, it's so cold. It's not chilling as such, but I'm wearing full arms and still I'm like, wow, it is cool. that hand gesture is so common here in Bangalore. No, that is it. It usually doesn't go beyond that. If someone is breaking a traffic rule or someone is trying to irritate you or frustrate you, right? The maximum we do is this. We show a hand, make some weird faces if possible, and then go. That is how soft people are. See this tree here? If you go to Jayanagar, right? Jayanagar 5th block, 4th block, it will be filled with trees like this with beautiful flowers. Oh, this is the Suzuki Ignis, huh? Looks kind of cool. Looks like a small modified car or something. Not pretty in every angle, but yeah, the way it's portrayed, Ignis, it certainly catches your eye though. Three idiots. A Red Bull symbol turned into two bulls playing a football. Damn. I tell you, some of the stickers on some of the autos and cars and all, they are so funny. Okay, I guess this broke down in the middle of the road. Okay, it has broken down in the middle of the road. This will certainly, definitely create a traffic jam for a while now. What has happened to this lady, man? Look at the expression on her. Idiots like this, because of idiots like this, we get into accidents. Come on, it's a fucking red signal. This is the reason why I came and stopped to the extreme right, because I know that idiots like this were racing behind me. I could see that in the mirror. So it's not really easy to ride a motorcycle. You'll have to really be careful, otherwise you know how dangerous it is. I don't know how these trees are surviving, man. Like, none of these trees have been replaced or anything. They don't get watered properly also, and they go through this traffic jam every day for nearly at least 10 hours. 10 hours of very, very, very bad treatment, and still they turn out to be green and nourishing. I don't know how. These trees are really the unluckiest trees in Bangalore, I guess. They literally shouted. What's your name? So what's your name? Harshit. Harshit Darshan. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು?
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗ್ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ
Okay. This is my usual route.
Okay.
Because on that road the traffic will be too much. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ? ಡೂ ವೆಲ್. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈಸಿ ಬಿಡೋ ಅದು. I love subscribers, dude. I really love them. I'm stuck in this terrible traffic jam over here and spotted by a subscriber. What's your name? Roy. Joy.
Saikat, we met you.
Oh, Saikat, hi.
I forgot my helmet today.
Okay. What is this, man? You always keep spotting me, huh?
Same route.
Same route. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. Where do you both work? ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ ಗುರು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವೈಡರ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಸೈಕತ್, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್?
I am from Assam, bro.
Assam?
Yeah.
How long have you been in Bangalore?
It's been 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, I've done my engineering here.
Okay.
Dayanand Sagar.
Oh, Dayanand Sagar. Okay.
So today I forgot actually my bike pump and all is not there.
Okay.
I was in Kolkata.
Okay, okay.
Came back yesterday, so didn't get the bike.
Okay.
So he's like, I'll drop you home. No helmet and all.
Yeah. Which company do you both work for?
SAP.
SAP? Oh, you had told, no? Yeah. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವನೇ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಉಡುಪಿಯವನು, ಆದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಬೀನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 20-21 years. So that's why. Yeah. In the next video, I'll try to put a conversation.
Yeah, sure. Like people were crossing the road now. So
Zombies.
Zombies.
See, the thing is, one thing is we can relate to each other is we work and you watch the video, I make the video. That's all. It feels good actually. What is this, dude? I guess they dashed into each other, and this is why all the fucking traffic jam happened. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me right now? I've been riding in the traffic jam for nearly half an hour now, just to cover 4 kilometers, just because these idiots dashed into each other. Come on! ತೊಳಿ ಇದು ತೊಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ. He came in the opposite direction actually and dashed into another person. I did what I could. At least I could park his bike to the side. This is why, guys, when you're in a signal, it's okay if you are at least 4 or 5 minutes late. Even if you get stuck in a signal, it's okay, stop. Don't get into trouble like this. You get into small accidents like this and at that immediate moment you will panic and you will stop in the middle of the road and it will create more traffic jam, which will definitely invite more trouble to you itself. Other people just crowding around you, or cops and all coming in, questioning you, fining you and all those things. Rather take your bike to the side and sort it out there. Don't stand in the middle of the road. At least there was some other person at least who came down to help him out, because you know that AS200 is heavy. You know, I could see that at least one biker got down up from his bike and helped him. That's really nice. 27 ಏನೇಳಿ
ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್
2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಗನ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಪಲ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 220ನಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಗಾಡಿನ. So basically that person was interested in knowing what is the cost of Mojo and the mileage, and then I asked him if he was interested in buying this bike for his kid. So he said his kid already has a Pulsar 220. I thought that will loosen up and hit my bike.